Hi, I have something extraordinary for all you talented professionals in the fields of science, art, and business. If you're looking to secure a US green card through the EB2 NIW category, I have the perfect tool for you. It's the EB2 NIW Tool Kit. This toolkit is not just a collection of resources. It's a comprehensive guide designed to make your national interest waiver application process as smooth and straightforward as possible. It's tailored for those who hold an advanced degree and are poised to contribute significantly to the United States in their respective fields. With the EB2 NIW Toolkit, you'll navigate the complex NIW requirements effortlessly. Our toolkit includes expertly crafted templates, sample documents, and step-by-step guides that are easy to follow. Now, whether you're a researcher, an artist, a business professional, this toolkit is your way to unlocking the door to US permanent residency through the EB2 NIW category. This toolkit empowers you to self-petition for a US permanent residency. That's right, there's no need for sponsors or lawyers. We'll provide you with everything you need to stand out in your application. Inside, you'll find essential resources such as the EB2 NIW requirements, steps to green card application, application organization skills, sample cover letters, and even pre-filled sample forms to help you get your application started. We have over 100 Microsoft Word templates to make your application process as efficient as possible. This is more than just a toolkit, it's a path to your American dream. So by investing in the EB2 NIW Toolkit, you're making a decisive step towards securing your place in the United States and continuing your exceptional work. So don't wait any longer. Join the many professionals who have successfully navigated their way to US permanent residency with our toolkit. Get a copy of the EB2 NIW Toolkit today and embark on your journey towards achieving your American dream through the EB2 NIW category. Visit our website www.myeb2niw.com for further information.